Hi guys, and welcome to this video tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be teaching you the arrays in Java. So basically an array is like a container for a specific data type that has a specific size. So for example, if we have an array of integers, this means that we have a container that contains a set of integers, right? And it has a specific size or length. So how to declare an array in Java? So basically, if you want to declare an integer array, we just write the special keyword int, and then we write two square brackets just like this, and then we type in here the name of our array. So I've named it array A. Okay, then it's equal to, then inside curly braces we just write the numbers or the floating point numbers or the strings that form our array. Okay, so in this case I have an array of size 3 because it contains only 3 numbers, 1, 2, and 3, and then we place a semicolon at the end, of course. So this is one way of creating an integer array or an array in general. There's another way of creating an array. We actually create our array object or pointer. So int and then two square brackets, right? And then our name, which is array b in this case, and then equal, and then new int, and between two square brackets we specify the size of our array. So array b is of size 3. Okay, so now we created an array which is called array b of size 3. Then to fill this array with numbers, we have to address each position or each index of the array. So as we know that Java is zero based index, so to access the first element in the array, we type the name of our array and the index between two square brackets. So the index of the first element in the array is 0, so array b of 0 equal, and then we put the value. So now we place 1 inside the index 0 of array b. Okay, and then we put in 2 in the second position, and then 3 in the third and last position. Okay, so far so good. Now we want to get the size of the array or the length of the array. So for example, we want to get the length for array A. So array A dot length, this returns an integer value which represents the size of the array. So in this case it's gonna be 3. If we want to print each element in the array, then what we're gonna want to do is actually loop over the array. So we can do this by a simple for loop just like this, where we loop for the size of array A just like this, and then we print the each element, which is array A of I, and I is our iteration variable. Another way or another for loop, which is called the enhanced for loop, it's actually like the for each loop in other languages. So we just type in for, and then we type in the data type of the array. So actually this is an integer array, so it's going to be int. Then we place in some loop variable, which is x, for example. Then we put in a column just like this, and then we put our integer array, which is array b in this case. And actually the x in each iteration is going to have the value of the element in b. So for instance, the array b, the first value of x is going to be 1, then in the second iteration the x is going to be 2, and then in the third iteration the x is going to be 3. So let's run this quick code right here, and as you can see, this is 1 2 3 for the first loop, and then 1 2 3 for the second loop right here. So that's it guys for the arrays in Java, and see you in the next tutorial.